Good afternoon. Today then I will about what I plan to do on my next vacation. Next year vacation will be amazing. I go to Smith City and Venezuela called Merida. There are many high mountains. There is even a cable car. I am going to visit on the towns that surround of city. The stone shores, try their local food, good horseback riding, and maybe camp out of town in the pine forests. I will invite my boyfriend. I am sure he will also enjoy the cool weather and the months. We will enjoy a good coffee and the gastronomy of the place. I will wait for a good walk to the place around the hotel. I will take many photos that will serve as a memory. I will want order to sleep and rest to add, and I will return new strength. Bye. Thank you.